I am Amit Kumar Mishra and I am here to talk about area of parallelogram and triangles. First we talk about area, what is area, and then also we solve some question related to area of parallelogram and triangle. Now come, what is area? Area can be defined as a space occupied by flat surface of an object. Area is nothing but number of unit square covered the closed surface of figure. Here we have two figures, one is triangle and another is parallelogram. The area of triangle is half into base into height and area of parallelogram is base into height. Now come on the question related to area of parallelogram and triangle. The first question is AB and CD are parallel side of trapezium ABCD. Diagonal AC and BD intersect at O. Prove that area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle BOC. We know that two triangles on the same base and lie between the same parallel lines are equal in area. So here two triangle ADC and triangle BDC lie between the same parallel line AB and CD and on the same base CD. So the area of triangle DAC is equal to area of triangle DBC. Now subtract area of triangle DOC from both sides. Then area of triangle DAC minus area of triangle DOC is equal to area of triangle DBC minus area of triangle DOC is equal to area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle BOC. Hence proved. Now come on the next question. A rectangle is formed by joining a midpoint of side of rhombus so that area of rectangle is half of area of rhombus. Here we have rhombus A, B, C, D and P is the midpoint of CD, Q is the midpoint of BC, R is the midpoint of AB and S is the midpoint of AD. By joining these points we form a rectangle PQRS and rhombus ABCD. We have to prove area of rectangle PQRS is equal to half of area of rhombus ABCD. We know that if a parallelogram and a triangle is formed on the same base and between the same parallel line, then the area of triangle is half of area of parallelogram. So in parallelogram SQCD, triangle SQP and parallelogram SQCD form on the same base SQ and between the same parallel line SQ and DC. So area of triangle SPQ is equal to half of area of parallelogram SQCD. Similarly in parallelogram SABQ, area of triangle SRQ is equal to half of area of parallelogram SABQ. Add equation 1 and 2. Area of triangle SPQ plus area of triangle SRQ is equal to half of area of SQCD plus half of area of SABQ. SPQ plus SRQ is equal to PQRS. This and SQCD plus SABQ is equal to area of rhombus ABCD. So area of PQRS is equal to half of area of ABCD. Now come on third question. In a parallelogram ABCD, AE is perpendicular to DC and CF is perpendicular to AD. If AB is equal to 10 cm, AE is equal to 6 cm and CF is equal to 8 cm, then find AD. Area of parallelogram is base into height. This ABCD is a parallelogram and AE is perpendicular on CD. CF is perpendicular on AD. We have measurement AE is equal to 6 cm, CF is equal to 8 cm, AB is equal to 10 cm. We find area of parallelogram by two different ways and both are equal in value. By first way, if we take the base is DC, the area is DC into AE, and the another method is if we take base is AD, then AD into FC, and both are equal in values. Put the value of AE, CF and CD. AD is equal to 60 upon 80 is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now fourth question is, what the adjacent side of rectangle are 16 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find the area of rectangle. Here ABCD is the rectangle and length is equal to 16 centimeter, breadth is equal to 8 centimeter. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Put the value of length and breadth. 16 into 8, that is equal to 128 centimeter. Some real life example of parallelograms are bag, laptop, wallet, book, table, etc. Some real life example of triangles are traffic sign, pyramid, ceiling board, roof, staircase, ladder, building, monument, tower, etc. Thank you for watching my video.